How to change country in Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. And then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Once this menu appears, click on Settings. And from the account information section, click on personal information. And as you can see here, you will find a section that has all of your personal informations, including the country/region. So in order for you to change that, just click on it. And here you will be able to select your country. Say, for example, I will set this to Egypt. And once you do that, your country will be updated and changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your country in Pinterest app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.